Hello everyone, we are going to make a beautiful girl. First we're gonna make its hair structure by using our hand figure. When it's ready, we are going to move towards its face and then the detailings like eyes, nose and then the mouth. After that we are going to make the ears of this girl and then the two braids at both of the sides. When it's ready, we are going to move towards her body, starting by making the neck and then the body including the clothes. After it's done, we are going to make some more hair and then you can color it as per your choice. Next, we are going to make a scenery starting by making some trees. First, we are going to make the first V including its trunk and then we're gonna move ahead towards its surrounding including some mountains and the sun. After that, we are going to make some birds at the sky and then you can color the scenery as per you want. Next, we're going to make a big pumpkin for Halloween, starting by making the structure of it, then followed by making its features like eyes, nose, and then the big laughing mouth. Next, we're gonna move ahead towards a scenery containing a house. We're gonna start off by making the structure of this house. Here we are going to make two houses and then we're gonna give the detailings on them like doors, windows and chimney. Then we are going to make a pathway followed by a tree beside the house. When the tree is completed, we are going to make a wooden fencing also beneath the tree and making some birds as well in the sky followed by some clouds. Now you can color it as per your choice and your scenery is completed.